So you guys are just going down like a mile, quarter mile? Okay, sorry, I gotta get a couple shots. Okay. Okay.
Start north of 140 is the barricade. Right up here on your right.
This is a home right here?
This is a home right here. Yep, I'll get a little closer here for you. Okay. Go up here a little bit. Good. Alright,
This is where it started,
there's
right?
another home here. No, this isn't where it started.
Oh, okay.
No, it went quite a ways. The little thing that used to be the gas station is what we have right there. Let me get out of the way here. And then this was a residence on the north side here.
Leon 65, assigned to north sector. What's your status? Where's code 4? Okay, are you still out in the field?
So this wasn't where the propane
No,
tanks and stuff were.
we'll get up to the perimeter then. I can't take you right to it, but we can get to where you can see it. Now, here's the weird thing. Here's the house with all the melted siding, and it's not touched, other than the siding melted, so
that's pretty crazy.
okay, now I will be able to get you right here. We're going to turn around.
Down there, and you'll see us standing over there.
Try to get you up here a little way so you can maybe get a little better shot before we get thrown out. And let me get around the trees here, guys. Okay, what they're doing is cooling the big tank. The big tank we've talked about is the one that's got the water stream going on it.
The one with flames shooting out of it?
And no, that is the small tank that was on a truck.
Oh, I see.
The big one.
Oh, I see the big one.
Okay, let me try to get around here. Hopefully the sheriff's not standing there.
Tank 11, tank 12, go ahead. How much water do you guys have?